Hi guys, new project, new transformation. Stay tuned to see. So this is how I paint the fascia board. For this one I'm using 75mm brush from Monarch. First I apply paint as much I can reach. So it's about a little bit more than a meter. Then I cut in from this side and then from this side finish it off like that. And then lay it off from this side, like this, and that will be it. Very easy and simple. So that will be it for this project. It's all done now. For all the painting outside we used only 75mm Monarch brush, wall brush, just to brush everything on. That's the way I'm doing the cladding. I prefer doing it with the brush instead of doing it with the roller, even though you can cover quicker with the roller, but I will always prefer brush over the roller when it comes to the cladding. The product we use on outside, it's the all-weather from Topmans. So we use it for cladding and for all the timber work and posts. That's the product most of the time I go with, unless the customers ask for something else or something different. And in that case, we will go with the product that customers ask for. This will be it for this time. Until next time, guys, stay safe.